So hello we guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Today here we go for expert option and do binary trading. First we open expert option. Everyone know we do binary trading and today is Monday night, so we do a big trade. So let's see. That's our demo account, and in our demo account first we choose candle in 1 minute. So that's our demo account when we have a $22,855. So that's a really big amount guys. I hope you like it. So here we go for first buy trade. So first analyze chart, then second we trade. Everyone know we use SNR and price action strategy for beginners. So let's see and check it out. So here we do for $500 sell, but that sell our wrong. Market gone consolidate. We have only 25 seconds guys. Let's see our SNR is working or not. Only 20 seconds. Okay, market gone really big. Clash out. 10 seconds only. Three, two, one. Okay. Our buy trade gone in profit, but our sell trade gone in loss. So here we go for again analyze chart, then again we trade. Let's see what happened there. Okay, we do a lot of trade and that's really big risks. I tell you, you don't try this because you have no much more amount for do this. We trade in like 10,000 above dollars, so that's a really big amount guys. So let's see, we have only 20 seconds to close our all entries. If our all trades gone in profit, so that's a really big amount, and if our trades gone in loss, so that's a really big loss guys. So let's see. Okay, only 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's a really big profit guys. In just 2 minutes we earned $5,750, so that's a really big amount. So okay, here we go for again $500 buy. Our SNR is working. Let's see. Okay, here we go for again $500 buy. Let's see what happened there. We do a $2,000 trade. Only 15 seconds. 10 seconds only guys. So okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we book our again profit. So that's a really big profit guys again. Let's see. Okay, here we do some buy. We do again big risks. Let's see, market gone consolidate. Okay, 25 seconds only guys to close our all entries again. Okay, market gone again up. Please come on, again up, again up. Oh no, that's a really big clash guys. So that's a very big loss. Anyway, we have much more amount to do trade, so let's see. Okay, leave it. So we can again analyze chart, then again trade. Sorry. So we can again analyze chart, then again trade. Okay, here we do $500 buy again. Okay, let's see. Market gone consolidate. So here's a 10 seconds only to close our buy trade profit. And that's our last trade, guys. So that's a profit, guys. I hope you like it. In just few minutes we earned $10,000, so that's a really big amount. So see you guys soon with come back with new strategies and new price action and new SNR for beginners. So see you guys soon with come back new strategies and new methods. So if you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. See you guys soon. Bye bye.